Hey folks, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grissom. We have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is an incredible certified 2017 Honda HR-V EX. Let's get started. Wraparound headlights and tail lights, fog lights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors with turn signal indicators on the sides, as well as Honda's special lane watch system. You also have bug visors free of charge, a sunroof, and again, this is a super great all-wheel drive SUV. Well, let me go over some of those inside features. Coming back to the HR-V here, you're going to see we have loads of room for our boxes and bags. And then underneath here, we also have the spare tire with the tools to change it if you need them. These back row seats are 40-60 split that do go down, give you that extra space. But guys, this is an HR-V, so you have extra space to tow everything around. These come up if you need the extra storage room. Coming to the front, you're going to have a lot of cool features like your electric parking brake, your brake hold, your backup camera, AM/FM radio. Again, we got that super nice sunroof and so many other great features. But you got to come check it out in person. All right, folks, this vehicle is ready to roll. But there's some other features like those all-weather-proof floor mats that keep off the dust, dirt, and snow, and the extended warranty that's already included on this vehicle that make it shine. Again, my name is Sterling Grissom. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. And if you guys want to ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman and we're your dealership, but this is your SUV.